Hey guys, the brand sent me a free pair of these sunglasses so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you why I really love these. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice about these is they're very stylish. You can see here on the side of the temple, it's got the brand name in gold. It's got this very sporty curved design and overall looks great. Now, it's made out of a very thick and durable material, but it's also flexible. That's gonna fit around your head perfectly for the ultimate in comfort. Now, of course, the lenses are high quality as well. They're gonna give you UV protection and they're polarized for glare. Now, they come in this very durable and tough storage case. There's also a cleaning rag in here, so this is perfect to use every day or to give as a gift. There's even a hook on this case in case you wanted to hook it to an item of clothing or any other kind of rope or chain. So they look good, they feel very comfortable for all day wear, whether you wear them for driving, at work, for running, or any other kind of sport. And I would definitely recommend these for anyone who needs a nice pair of sunglasses.